All right, today we're at MarineMax Lake Norman with the new 2024 252XE. This boat is in beautiful powder blue with a black lower accent. We'll start up here at the front. A nice boarding pad up here with the anchor system in the front, docking lamps, all your retractable cleats, fuel filler. Use your drill point. And when we work our way to the back, you can see a beautiful entryway, cascade steps coming up from the water. Help you get in and out. All right, now that we're inside the 252X, you'll notice on the back you have a table mount, as well as your stereo controller, all your wet sound stereo components. Coming inside the boat, super clean gray sea deck on the floor, snap out sea deck. Plenty of room for all 12 of your rear passengers. This boat does have a 12-person capacity. At the helm controller here, you've got your digital helm display, wireless controller, wireless phone charger, as well as cruise, twin engine throttle, observer side storage, observer chair. When you come up to the front, again, plenty of room, storage under all the seats. PTM mirror for your safety, wet sounds tower speakers, full bimini cover, and wakeboard racks. Again, this is the Yamaha 252XE here at MarineMax Lake Norman.